Advantage played by referee Stuart Atwell. Dessert in the middle was the 19-year-old. Back to Benjamin Asare, who took a little bit of a chance there with Chukwueze breathing down his neck. And he's got the ball at his feet in towards Ayew. It's an important intervention from Ajayi. They want an offside flag. It hasn't come. And any great take from Chukwueze, releasing Cyril Dessert. That had to be well timed, and wasn't it? Maichi what he wanted out of this free kick, and that might be it. Oh, the flag's gone up here, and Ismaila has won it really well. Awkward cross here. Dessert! Nigeria lead. Cyril Dessert in front of the... And a huge pat on the back for Sadiq Ismaila. Important toe-in. And that is absolutely brilliant there from Ashimeru. And he's still going. Was the ball won? Yes, it was. Important toe-in. And that is absolutely brilliant there from Ashimeru. And he's still going. Was the ball won? Yes, it was. I think it took a touch off a Ghanaian defender. It might have been Simpson. It was Razak. Well, they sent them out there in energetic fashion. There's another loose pass given away cheaply. I thought the lob was on for a minute. Oh, what is going on back here? Great effort from... In touch from Dessert into Alimi. And Dessert again. Alimi again. But I'm sure you're all pleased with it. What a game. Oh, it could be another freakish goal as Onyeka. Should be coming back, though, Chukwueze, if he's quick enough. Can he get it in there? Good work from Chukwueze. Oh, lovely dummy. Brilliant save and off the line. Action right to the end of this central role. And he's interested here. And here he is, right on cue. Bonsu fighting there. Didn't he do well to keep it in, and legally too, against Onyemaichi. Bonsu with the give and go. And he's quick enough to get there. Needs a good ball, and he's found one. Not a lot of room in there. Still nearly made it happen. Musa taking over. Oh, he's done very well there. Inacho! Flag is up. It's not going to count. Really nicely taken goal from... He's asking, was it me? And a great run. Three in the middle. What a goal that is. But for Brandon Thomas Asante. Brilliantly taken. Game on. Here's Urenki to Bonsu. Two debutants here who've absolutely loved tonight. One from the start and one as a sub. Bonsu. Oh, what a ball!